Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Anthonytutorials. I got something really cool and useful for all you future website creators. We are going to learn how to install WordPress using XAMPP, step by step, the easy way, right on your own computer. No domain names, no hosting needed, it's all local, perfect for testing, practicing, or learning how WordPress works. Alright, step 1. We need to download and install XAMPP. Head over to the official site apaachefriends.org. Don't worry, I will link in the description below. Choose your operating system, Windows, Mac or Linux, and download the latest version. Once it's done, go ahead and install it. Just click Next through the setup. You don't really need to change anything. The default settings are totally fine. Once it's installed, open the XAMPP control panel. Start Apache and MySQL by clicking the Start buttons. If they turn green, you're good to go. Step 2. Let's get WordPress. Go to wordpress.org and download the latest version. It will come as a zip file. Extract the zip file and you will get a folder named WordPress. Now, here's what you do. Copy that folder and paste it into your XAMPP htdoc folder. So now your WordPress file should be inside C XAMPP htdoc WordPress. Nice and easy. Step 3. Create a database. Now it's time to set up the database. This is where WordPress stores everything. Open your browser and go to localhost /phpMyAdmin. At the top, click on Database. Under Create Database, type a name something like WordPress_DB. Then click Create. Done. Database is ready now. Step 4. Run the WordPress installer. Now, let's install WordPress. Go to your browser again and type localhost/WordPress. You will see the famous WordPress setup screen. Choose your language and hit continue. Then it will ask for your database info. Database name WordPress_DB. Username root. Password leave it blank. Host localhost. Perfect. Leave it as WP_. Then click submit. Click run the installation. After that, give your site a name, create a username and password, and put in any email. Click install WordPress, and that's it. Click login. Enter your credential you just created, and you will land inside the WordPress dashboard is live on your computer. Welcome to your new local WordPress site, and that's it. You just install WordPress on your own computer using XAMPP. Now you can install themes, play with plugins, create pages, and learn without fear of breaking anything online. If this video helped you, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you will never miss out on new tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I got you back. Thanks for watching. I'm Anthony Morningstar, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay creative and keep building.
Anthonytutorials.